Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to delete your entire Google Gemini chat history. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Google Gemini, open it, and after that, go and click on your picture on the top right of the screen. After that, go to Gemini Apps Activity. Just wait a few seconds, and after that, it will give you all of your activity here. And here you will have multiple options. The first one is deleting activity older than 3 months. You can click on it and choose like if you want to delete the activities older than 3, 18, or 36 months. And you can, as I did here, you can put it like automatic, or you can also turn off like auto delete after that time. And also if you want to delete now all your chats, you have just to go and click on that delete icon. And after that, you will have multiple choices. You can delete the chats from the last hour, the last day. You can delete for all time, like the chats of all time, and click after that on delete. Or you can choose like custom run, like dates. Like if you want to delete, for example, the chats after like date, or the chats who are made before like another date, you can choose the dates here, and after that you can delete those chats. So like that you can delete your entire Google Gemini chat history in just few clicks. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.